Are you struggling to keep up with the fast-paced world of software development? Manual testing can be a major bottleneck. What if I told you there's a solution? Today, we're diving into the world of AI-driven automated software testing workflows. These workflows can help you maintain quality while accelerating your testing processes. Let's break it down step by step. First, we need to integrate requirements. Collecting user stories from platforms like Jira is key. AI tools can analyze these requirements and generate actionable test cases aligned with your business priorities. Next, we move on to automated test case generation. This allows for quick creation of testing scenarios through AI agents. But we're not done yet. Infrastructure automation comes next. Tools like Terraform set up isolated testing environments. These environments reflect production conditions, ensuring accurate quality assessments. Now let's talk about synthetic test data management. Using AI methods, organizations can create datasets that meet privacy standards. This simulates real-world applications effectively without compromising any sensitive information. Then comes automated execution. Tests run in parallel to maximize throughput. AI helps with execution scheduling, prioritizing tests based on urgency and available resources. What about defect detection? AI agents analyze logs and telemetry to detect failures. They classify these errors and connect them to their root causes. A streamlined triage process prioritizes defects by risk and impact, ensuring critical issues get addressed first. Now, you're probably curious about result analysis. AI aggregates test results, correlates them with defect rates, and generates forecasts. This provides vital insights for stakeholders about potential risks in future releases. Finally, let's discuss the feedback loop. Insights from each stage help refine AI models continuously. This ensures they adapt to the complexities of modern software development, improving with every iteration. In summary, orchestrating AI-driven automated software testing workflows boosts efficiency, quality, and responsiveness. By adopting this approach, you can navigate software development challenges while ensuring compliance and quick delivery. Ready to enhance your testing workflows? Embrace automation, leverage AI, and elevate your software testing processes today. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out the links below.